Hello everyone, welcome to our software Scrutinize channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how to create our project in Upwork. In previous video, we learned how to create a profile in Upwork, how to put up our all personal details, our education details, our employment history, everything, how to put up in all these details in the Upwork. Now you can see the interface. This is our profile. We will click on it. Steve Jobs. This is my account name, and I am a freelancer. Okay. Now move to the next point. That is how to create our project. This is necessary to show the world what you can do and how you can do in which price. Okay, so we move to the next step. We will go to the find work. There is last point is my project dashboard. I will click on it. Okay, and you can see build it once and again. You only create your project at once, only one time. Then you can earn your money from this project again and again, day by day. Right? So I will click on create a project. The first step is click on create a project button. Alright, there are 6 main steps. The first step is title. Tell the client what you will deliver and how it benefits them. What services will you give to the client and how these services are beneficial for the client. This statement should be impressive so that client come to your profile and hire you for their projects. Right? There is a statement like some examples. You will get an amazing logo design for your business. You will get, this is by default. And the remaining statement you have to write according to your skills, according to your profile. I am a Python developer, so I will create my title according to the Python developer, like you will get an amazing desktop applications using Python. Right? You will get an amazing desktop application using Python. Right? Category. What will be my category? There are different steps: design, building, information modeling, development and IT, desktop apps, admin and customer support, project management, development and IT desktop app. There are different subcategories. So first of all, throughout all the options, like I will click, these are subtitles of this type. Like this is my first point, design, and these are subpoints, subtitles. Right? But my work is according to Python developing, so I move to the development side. Like second point, desktop application, and see some attributes. Here we go. There is Python. I will click. Right? And if you have another language, you can also click on it, but make sure you click on specific language so that a specific client come to your profile. If you click on C++, C, VB, C#, JavaScript, then your skills are scattered. So not scatter your all skills. Only click on specific skills. That is, my skills are Python developing, so I click on it. Operating system, like Windows, I will click on Windows and Mac OS. Okay, this is up to you. Choose up to one. I only click Windows. If you are expert in Mac OS, you working on Mac OS, you will click on Mac OS. Doesn't matter. But I am also macOS and Windows, so I will click on Windows, doesn't matter. Desktop app expertise, what you can do in desktop apps: app design, application setup and installation, development, right? Security, performance optimization. I also provide performance optimization, software debugging. This is a main step of your development. W3C markup, a validation service, a localization, application review and optimization. That's it. Now move to our next point: application. Which type of application you develop? Choose up to one. Excel, Mixer, PowerShell, Quiche, Bitmax, Facebook, MySQL, Skype, YouTube, Discord, MetaTrader, Node.js, Slack. I will click on MySQL, doesn't matter. MySQL for my database, right? Now search for tag. This is optional. These tags are so much important because which tag you are used, client also write in search bar, also write these tags, and automatically your profile is up to the list. This is a part of SEO, right? I will click Python. This is Python. Okay. Again Python. There is another tags about Python, like Python script. Yes, this is also my part. You can see I also click database because it's a part of Python development. Database administration, right? And database architecture, design, development. You can see I will click on architecture. These are 5 main tags I have written. Now save and continue. Now our next step is your pricing. What is your pricing? There are 3 main categories, 3 tiers: starter, standard and advanced. If you click simple, then starter is also show. If you are a new one and you will give only one service, you will give only one milestone, you will also uncheck this point. If you set some 3 tiers, like there are different types of clients. Some clients need a project hurried. Let's suppose a project development is need to be completed in 1 month, but the client asked to complete this project in 15 days. So your prices also will be higher. Okay. You can see I will write Python development to create Python development for desktop. Okay. Only 30 characters. Alright, they will be. You also copy in this and in this area, right? Now we move to the next step: description. I can develop desktop application in Python programming and design database, right? You will copy in this area and in this area. Database. There may be some spelling problem, but you have to write all the issues on point, because this is your impression on the client. So remove all the errors. Now you can see delivery days. Starter, I will deliver in 10 days, in 15 days and 30 days, right? Number of revisions, there is no revision because this is the starting point. Simple project, there is no revision. It's up to you. Revision mean how many revisions you give to the client, how many times you review your project to give to the client for any error, for any updates, right? 2 revisions and 3 revisions. It's up to you. You can also set 1 revision. It's up to you according to your project, according to your need, right? Service style options, yes, source code, because source code is also part of your service. Source code, you also provide source code to the client for future use, right? Project price, this is our main point. Okay, this price is for per hour. I will write $50, $70 and $80, right? Because it's a development project. If you give some fast delivery additional revision, if I click on it, so these are also some points. Fast delivery means starter, I will have delivery days of 10. If client want project in minimum days like 6 days, in standard 15 days, these are normal. If you provide this project to the client in 10 days and in advanced point 30 days in normal point, and you will give to the client in minimum days like 20 days, right? So your extra money will be $50, there are extra money will be $10, and it means $60. In this area 70 and $10 extra, and here we go, $10 also extra in the advance, right? If you give some additional revision, it's up to you. Additional revision, $5 extra charge from the client. Save and continue. Now move to the next step, gallery. If you develop some projects in Python programming and you have some images of your project, you can share these images in this area, right? So if you have any image, video and some documents, you can write it. So move to the images. I have also images of these two projects. Alright, the first one, in this area we give write and upload. If you search some other or more images like this, you can also set some cropping area, right? Alright, now if you have some project video, you can also share here. If you have some document video, you can also share here. Okay, I will move to the next step. I have no much source code. I don't want to share some source code of my project. If you have some project video, you can share, and you have no project video, you can also share this video after you creating your project, doesn't matter, right? So move to the next step. Okay, that is requirements. Tell the client what you need to requirement. Okay, what requirements? Software requirements on modules on functionalities of company. I need these requirements from the client. Software requirements, what will be the software requirements? All modules, which type of modules will be used in the software, and what will be the functionalities of the company, so that I can develop the Python project in that category, right? What will be the, okay, free text. I will need all these questions and answer of these questions in the form of text, right? And mandatory requirements. These are all mandatory requirements, right? All right. These are all. software installation, configuration. These are also requirements you want to some answer of these questions from the client to check what will be the main step, what will be the software installation, in which systems I have to install my software, and what will be the configuration after you deploy your project. What will be the configuration steps? These are also discussion questions between client and you, right? Mandatory requirement, that is add. These are two main requirements I have added in this area. Now save and continue. Description, project summary. You will get an amazing Python project with full functionality and security, with designing of database. Minimum you have to write more than 120 characters. Make sure minimum. Okay. You will also get an amazing interface where you can use the project with easy steps, right? This is in easy steps. These are also some AI add in this area. If you have any problem in this spelling mistake, grammatical mistake, these are also show this word under the underline with red, so you can set your word according to your grammar, right? Project steps. These are main steps. Client purchasing the project and send requirements. You can complete the following steps that you add here. Client reviews and approve your work and get paid. These are main steps. If you want to give one step, Upwork insists you to add extra step in this area. So I add this step, software configuration, to configure the software and client side with full functionality. Okay, that is add. Now you can see frequently asked question. There are some questions you ask some question to the client. This is optional. This is up to you, want to add or not, right? Save and continue. Now review, finalize our project. Maximum number of simultaneous projects. How many projects can you handle at one time and still deliver great results? This means how many projects you handle at one time, not more than one, because you are a fresher, you have no any other team under you, so click on one, right? Only one. You can handle one project at once. When you are experienced in this area, then you can handle the number of projects, because you have also team members and you can do all the projects, maximum projects at one time, right? I understand. You also check by submitting and activating. I understand. These are all policies of work, you have to check it, right? Submit for review. Yes, before you send your project for review, please ensure your project does not contain watermark images. There is no will be watermark images. So I will go to the I have all the data of mine, not copy. So I will click on send to review. Congrats, you have successfully submitted your project. We will let you know when your project has been approved. As you can see, under review, pending approval, 29 July I have submitted my project Upwork. When my project is approved, then the project will be shown in this area, and this project will be live for all the clients, so client can see this project and hire me for according to my skills, that is Python development, and make some desktop apps from my site, right? This is our second video of how to create a project in Upwork. In our next video we will also apply the some areas, how to there is number of clients to show their problems in the work, and you can apply for it. Like when you apply for a job according to your CV, you can also apply for the job. Client will be shared here, and you can apply on this on that work according to your CV uploaded on Upwork, right? And you can apply for it, and client review your CV, review your profile, and hire you for their project. This is a side area. You can after 1 or 2 days you can see this will be approved, and this project will be shown in approved area. So this is our second video. In our next video we will talk about some more areas, how to apply the work in client side, how to apply for a job to client project. So subscribe our channel Software Scrutinize, and so you will be up to date our newest video. Thank you so much. Take care.